What are we doing? Go ahead, drink it. Go ahead. Do it. Just drink it. You're good. Just drink it. It's water. You don't need to kill it. Just drink it. Come on. How come you can feel it like on the brim of your nose, but you can't feel it on your ear? Oh my god. Go, do it. My views depend on you doing something stupid. Like this. Yep, continue. I don't think you're gonna do anything else interesting. But I might be wrong, so I'm gonna continue. Zoom in right at the mouth. Exactly five times view. Now zoom out. Ah! Don't spray my phone. Alright, she's had enough.